Okay, let's make a dictionary in an easy way. Let's say that we got some words in Italian and in English, and let's write them like this. Ciao is for hello, amore is for love, cane is for dog. So now that we have these words here written in this way, we just want to take from the first to the last one not included, like this way, and then we're gonna split this string by the two new line that we have, because here we don't see them, but is we have a new line here and a new line here. So what we'll have here is this. Let's print it. Okay, we got these three strings here. Now we wanna do another thing. We wanna make this, and we wanna to split lines for V in ing. So what we are seeing before, we are gonna to split them into a list like this. Let's see what we have. And I forget this. So we have a list of lists with words in Italian and in English. Now let's see how to put this into a dictionary. We will make a comprehensive list where we have Italian here and English here for each word in ITA. Let's print ITA and see if everything works, and here it is. We got the word in Italian as a key and the word in English as a value of the key for everything we have written here. And so we can easily now change these and add something here in a very easy way, very easy to see, to watch and maintain. As you see, Apple is Mela in Italian, and that's all.